Rich of its 80 years of experience in metal processing, partners on a national and international scale, a production exceeding 3,500 tons per year and an export presence up to 35% of its turnover in Europe, Maghreb and West Africa, Les Fonderies et Acieries du Maroc, a socially responsible company, is an industrial power leader in the field of foundry and metallurgy. Fonderies et Acieries du Maroc was created and established in the lime and cement district in 1940 by French industrialists to participate in the growing industrialization of Casablanca. In 1951, the plant was built on its current site in association with the Tommy Crumbach Steelworks, regulators of several foundries and forges in France. Fonderies et Acieries du Maroc focuses primarily on the needs of these customers. One of the main advantages of the technologies at FAM is an increased ability to provide added value to our customers by offering them better quality products that are affordable and allow them to work better and save time.
Aujourd'hui, FAM est capable de proposer des solutions d'optimisation de processus pour les applications abrasives, les applications à impact ou à choc violent, ainsi que les applications corrosives.
To this end, Fonderies et Acieries du Maroc have equipped themselves with the latest generation of high-performance production and control equipment in line with its ambitions to meet the quality requirements of its customers. Fonderies et Acieries du Maroc has proven skills in the work of different metallurgies of special steels, cast iron as well as copper-based alloys such as bronzes and brass. This know-how is also remarkable upstream in our modeling workshop and downstream in our machining and assembly workshops. For the realization of the ordered parts, Fonderies et Acieries du Maroc has a modeling workshop equipped with a modern 5-axis CNC machine for the design of models and tools in wood and resin, either from the plain or from standard parts. The company has 2 chemical molding sites managed by programmable logic controllers. For large series, the first site is a carousel which allows the production of molds for parts up to 100 kilograms. The second is a fast loop producing molds for medium and small series of parts up to 5 tons and equipped with a turner demolder to facilitate the remolding of the different parts of a mold. At the same time, the melting section prepares the liquid metal. This section is composed of a battery of 4 electric induction furnaces with a total liquid metal capacity of 11 tons distributed as follows: 350 kilograms. Furnace A, 1000 kilogram oven. 2 ovens of 4,800 kilograms each, equipped with twin power technology. In order to comply with quality requirements, during and at the end of the melting process, systematic controls of the chemical composition by spectrometry are carried out in our metallurgical laboratory. After the cooling of the casting inlay molds, the separation of the parts from the sand takes place. After descending the parts by shot blasting, the operators proceed to the deburring and finishing of the manufactured parts. These parts are then transferred to the heat treatment section. This section consists of a 5 tons capacity gas furnace for normalization and water quenching, a 3.5 tons capacity electric furnace for standardization and air quenching, a 10 tons capacity electric furnace for standardization and water quenching. These 3 furnaces are equipped with manipulators for the control of hardening times and are equipped with programmers and recorders. Once these casting stages are completed, the parts requiring machining are transferred on the same site to our workshop dedicated to these operations. These workshops are equipped with a 4-axis machining center, one digital vertical lathe 3000 mm, a battery of 6 conventional vertical lathes ranging from 800 mm to 2500 mm, a battery of 7 conventional parallel towers, 4 milling machines, 2 drills, a boring machine. In a concern of follow-up of the permanent quality of its products, Fonderies et Acieries du Maroc has a control laboratory equipped with the equipment necessary for the control of the molding sand, an emission spectrometer for the control of chemical composition, a metallurgical microscope for micrographic control, a durometer for hardness control, destructive testing by cutting out the parts, non-destructive testing by penetrant testing, the control of the temperature of the liquid metal by pyrometric rods, metrological instruments for dimensional control. Anxious to protect its environment, Fonderies et Acieries du Maroc is equipped with a complete sand regeneration equipment in order to reuse up to 90% of the sand, as well as other equipment that has recently enabled is to obtain ISO 14001 certification version 2015. Preserving the health of its employees has always been a central concern of the managers of Fonderies et Acieries du Maroc, which has been noted through the ISO 45001 certification version 2018. The ISO 9001 certification version 2015, obtained by les Fonderies et Acieries du Maroc, is the crowning achievement of the quality approach undertaken by the company and is a further testimony to the work provided by the management team, and all issues of interest to the company are taken in a collegial manner. This quality management approach has been erected by les Fonderies et Acieries du Maroc as a way of life. Fonderies et Acieries du Maroc quality is believed to be as hard as iron.